Governance, technology, and democracy, balancing efficiency with civil liberties. This topic focuses on how modern governments are increasingly using digital technologies like AI, surveillance systems, and automated decision making to improve governance. However, while these technologies increase efficiency, they also raise serious concerns about civil liberties. So, this presentation examines how we can balance these two, efficiency and civil liberties, within a democratic system. The core tension. On one side, we have efficiency. This includes faster public services, automation, reduced administrative delays, and improved accuracy in decision making. Governments aim to create a system that is quick, smooth, and cost effective. On the other side, we have civil liberties. These include privacy, transparency, accountability, and equal protection under the law. The issue is that as governments rely more on technology to increase efficiency, these civil liberties often come under threat. So the central question is, how can we achieve efficient governance without undermining democratic rights? To understand this tension, we look at some key theoretical foundations. First, deliberative democracy given by Habermas. It argues that governance should involve public discussion, participation, and reasoning, not just technical or automated decisions. Second, republican freedom by Petit. This idea defines freedom as non-domination, meaning individuals should not be subject to arbitrary or unchecked power. Third, surveillance capitalism by Zubov in 2019. This explains how data is collected and used to monitor, predict, and even influence human behavior. Together, these theories show that technology in governance is not just about efficiency, it also has deep implications for freedom and democracy. Technology in governance. This explains how technology is used in governance today. First, e-governance, which includes online services, digital identity systems, and automated public service delivery. This helps in improving access and reducing delays. Second, surveillance infrastructure such as CCTV cameras and facial recognition systems, mainly used for public security. Third, algorithmic decision making, where AI systems are used in areas like welfare distribution, policing, and administrative decisions. These technologies aim to create governance that is fast and efficient, but at the same time, they increase the power of the state and reduce direct human involvement. Civil liberties challenges. These developments create serious civil liberties challenges. First, privacy is affected. Governments collect large amount of personal data, including biometric and behavioral data, which can be used to monitor individuals. Second, there is a problem of transparency and accountability. Many algorithmic systems are complex and opaque, making it difficult for citizens to understand or challenge decisions. Third, algorithmic bias. These systems can reproduce existing social inequalities, especially affecting marginalized groups. So, while technology improves efficiency, it can also lead to inequality, lack of accountability, and weakening of democratic rights. Comparative case studies. The European Union follows a rights-based approach through regulations like GDPR. It focuses on protecting privacy and ensuring accountability. In contrast, China follows an efficiency-first model. Systems like the social credit system prioritize control, surveillance, and social order over individual freedoms. The United Kingdom shows a middle path where surveillance technologies have expanded gradually, sometimes without full democratic debate. These examples show that different countries balance efficiency and civil liberties differently based on their political values. To conclude, Governance, technology, and democracy are closely connected but also in tension. Technology improves efficiency, but it can also threaten civil liberties if not properly regulated. Therefore, we need a rights-based approach which includes proportional use of technology, strong democratic oversight, and accountability in decision making. Ultimately, the goal is to ensure that technology serves democracy and protects citizens' rights rather than undermining them. Thank you.